In this example of NX CMM inspection programming, I would like to show a very efficient method to change inspection strategy for similar features. In this case, I have a circle, or I have actually multiple circles, which have a certain inspection method with touch points, and it's roughly 7 touch points along the circle. I would like to change this to be a scanning method. And in the past, you had to edit each pass and actually generate the new inspection pass. But since NX 2512, we are able to simply select all the features and all the pass and drag it to the other method what we would like to apply, and then the pass and the features are regenerated according to that new method. And you can see that now we have a nice and beautiful scanning pass. In NX CMM inspection programming 2512, we have enabled new solutions, new methodologies to evaluate cylinders and circles. The first one is a cylinder, so I just create a new cylinder and I enable one of the new methods, the Gaussian, and I can create another cylinder with the Chebyshev method. And then these cylinders will be created in the post-processor according to these evaluation methods, and also when the inspection data is imported back into NX, it will be evaluated based on the selected method, and this is also valid for circles. I can create a circle and select the Gauss. Create another circle and enable the Chebyshev method. Thank you for the attention. In NX 2512, it has satisfied the user requirement that a circle can be created out of cylinder geometry. In the past, you had to select an edge, which must have been a circle, to be able to create a circle feature, and had to create an offset from that specific circle in a certain direction to be able to measure it. But in some cases where the edge of the cylinder was not a circle, it was particularly difficult to create these circle features. And to help this problem, we have created a new option, which is creating a circle by a cylinder feature. And I can set the percentage at which cross section I would like to create a circle. For example, I can set it to 25%, and then the circle will be created in that specific location without having to select a special circle feature, and it helps the generation of circle features, which is usually the 50% or more of the inspection features. So it's a very efficient way to increase the throughput of CMM inspection programming. I would like to introduce a new functionality in NX CMM inspection programming, particularly in the Logic Editor Automation Studio. So I will first show you this new rule, what is available. So in CMM inspection programming, we have a set of rules, and lately we have implemented a constructed feature nodes, as this was the only part missing from CMM inspection programming to complete the automation studio. And we also added a description what you can use, and in this example I will use the construct best fit along these green holes here. So I will introduce you to this rule, which is the best fit circle by color. And this rule actually automatically finds the inspection workpiece, and the only input it is asking for is to select a face, because this rule is actually creating a best fit circle between cylinders with the same color. So in this case we have this beautiful pattern here with these green holes, and it will create us all these green holes and best fit circle between these holes. So I will finish this rule and save it into the inspection setup, and then I can actually pull this rule, call it, and execute it. But I need to select the face. I select the face, and then you can see that the corresponding features were generated, and also a best fit circle was generated between these holes. Extending this rule, it is possible to add inspection paths and further improve it to accept holes, for example, which are only on a certain circular pattern. But it's a very efficient way to automatically generate the inspection features and inspection paths for known imaginary geometries.